Hi, my name is Serene Parker, and I will be auditioning for the roles of Lena Lamont and Female Ensemble. I will be singing What's Wrong With Me, You Stepped Out of a Dream, and Broadway Rhythm.
What's wrong with him? He's lost his libido. I got the urge, so why don't we splurge? What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? We should be out dancing. I'm hot to trot. He'd rather not. What's wrong with him? There are things more important than diction, so a girl can't say cunt. I said it! Why is he causing such friction when he could be Mr. Lamont? What's wrong with me? Why all this confusion? I'm quite a girl, a real cultured pal. What's wrong with me? I ain't so dumb. This peach ain't a plum. What's wrong with what possibly could be wrong with? What's wrong with me? Nothing!
And have her all to himself, alone and apart, out of a dream, safe in his heart. And have you all to himself, alone and apart, out of a dream, safe in his heart. Broadway rhythm, it's got me. Everybody dance! Broadway rhythm, it's got me. Everybody dance! Out on the great white way, in each merry cafe, orchestras play, taking their breath away with the Broadway rhythm, it's got me. Everybody sing!